Howdy Hoopers, this is Shay Rippinger here of Hip the Hoopla, here to give you the World Hoop Day Choreography Challenge, the daily challenge. And so in this video I'm going to give you the chorus part of the choreography, the first 16 counts, and stick around till the end. I'm going to give you a fun daily fact about how hula is part of hooping. So, I'll explain. All right, so stick around for that. All right, so we're going to get right into it. So, we just ended here. Make sure you watch week 1 of the choreography. If you don't have a whole ton of time, watch day 6 because that is the review. It's just going to go over the counts. It's not necessarily going to go over the moves specifically, but it will help. So, and then you can definitely go back. Days 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is all learning. Actually, day 6 we had a little teeny bit of learning, and then day 7 was a Q&A where I do a little polish points of some of the technicalities of the choreography and some fun facts on there and a pro tip. And so this week starts week 2. So let's get right into it. So we just came here and we're down here. So I'm facing forward. I've got the hoop in and I'm totally centered in the hoop, and I've got it down at the waist. Whatever size hoop you have, that's fine. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're bringing this up. And this is going to start a fun part where, pretend like you're at a rock concert. So if for some reason you do not want to jump, you can just do this as a little bounce, and I will demonstrate how. So what it's going to look like is you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are the counts for this 16 counts. So real quick, what this is you're going to be doing a little jump in the air with the hoop up top, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you can do to not have the video bounce too much on the floor here, I am doing just a little bounce where I'm just coming up on the balls of my toes. So you can actually leave the ground if you want and do that, and make sure you come down and land softly in that. So what I mean by softly is you're coming down toe, ball, heel, so you're not just slamming down on a flat foot. So that will help save and preserve your feet so you are safe in your body and the moves on that. So you're going to do 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to step out with the right foot. Now I've gone over this before, that you are watching me exactly as you need to as a mirror image, because as you notice, this is backwards. So you're watching it forwards, so you have an exact mirror image. So I'm going to step out to the right, about shoulder width apart, and I'm going to do a little smear. So I'm going to bring the left hand down, and I'm going to smear this across the body and just move the hoop around twice. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then step out right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm sorry, that's 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 of the jumps. 5, 6, 7, 8 are the smears. Now with the smear, what you're going to do is you're going to pretend like you are drawing a line with the hoop on your body, and it's going around your waist or belt line, whatever line this and it is going to be different depending on what size hoop you have. So this might be all the way up here if you have a really tiny hoop, and it might be down the back of your legs if you have a bigger hoop. Doesn't matter, just do the move. So it's a smear, and it's making contact with the body. And I would like you to actually dance these moves if you can. So you can definitely just stay in place here if you want, but if you have some fun with this, that's going to make it a lot more fun. Then you're going to do 4 more bounces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can do just a simple kick. So I'm taking the right foot, I'm angling over to the left, and I'm kicking 1, step back 2, kick 3, back down 4. So, and actually that's 5, 6, 7, 8 because the bounces were the first 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm doing a little hoop twist with this as well. If for some reason the hoop twist isn't very comfortable for you, just keep it in place and get that. But if you can, try and get a little hoop twist with this and get a little dancing motion with this. This is going to be a little bit more aerobic, so this is really fun to practice. And if you want to get your heart rate up for hooping, this is awesome. Okay, so let's go over those counts again. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, step out 5, 6, 7, 8 with that double smear. come back in. 1, 2, 3, 4 for that second set of bounces, and then right 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can do a kick ball change if you are a dancer and know that. You're just doing a kick and then your step with the right foot and step with the left foot. Kick again, step with the right foot, step back with the right foot, and up front with the left foot. So kick ball change, kick ball change. So you can do it that way if you want, or just simply a kick, step, kick. So I like the kick, step, kick because this goes pretty fast. But if you want to make it a little extra fancier, you can do that. And if you're doing this in a group, just make sure everybody does it. If you're doing it by yourself, you can do whatever the heck you want. All right, so let's go over that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, step out, 2 schmears, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, kick. So kick, step, kick, step. All right, let's try that with the music and see how it goes. Here we go. I'm queuing up the music. 1, 2, 3, 4, schmear, schmear. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, step, step. Okay? We'll do that one more time, and we'll be done with it. Oops. A little bit further. Here we go. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, schmear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 2, 3, 4. Kick, step, step. So, if you notice, let me turn off the music there. I'm also getting a little head bob with that, so you can put in a little extra pizzazz with that. So, you stuck around to the end and learned all the choreography. All right, that is awesome. So what we're doing with this is I wanted to show you that the hula hoop, a lot of people call this a hula hoop. That name came from the 50s from the Whammo company. But I wanted to let you know that hula is actually its own style of dancing. It is a Polynesian style of dancing. It uses a lot of hip movements, but you may notice that hula dancers, a lot of times you might see them in grass skirts, and you might see them in the classic coconut little bra tops, and they have flower lace in their hair. And so, but there's a lot of expressiveness to the hoop dancing. So all of their hand movements mean something specific. So hula dancing is different than hula hoop. So just a little distinction in that. And I hope you enjoyed that little daily fun fact. That's your reward for sticking around to the end. So go watch the rest of the videos. I'll see you on day 9. So thank you for joining me for day 8 for the first part of the World Hoop Day Dance Challenge Chorus Choreography. That's a mouthful. All right, rock on, peace out. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.